This would have changed the mood of the speech because he acknowledged the shortcomings but also opened up the positions to the graduates similar to guidance counselors. After all, it is all about mental health and well-being. Number two, on innovative teaching aids. The president said, to facilitate effective instruction, we also continue to provide them with helpful and innovative teaching aids, such as smart TVs, the laptops, tablets, free mobile data, and even lapel microphones. But according to the 2025 SONA, he said, ngayon, nagdaratingan na ang mga laptop na laan para sa bawat guro sa public school. Or these laptops for the teachers already started coming. Again, I believe that it would be nice if the president mentioned the cities or municipalities that already received these gadgets. I learned that the digital tools distributed in the provinces were for the schools only, for students' use and not with the teachers yet. And for the teachers, what we knew, only Makati, Pasig, Quezon City have distributed these items to teachers. Notice that these cities are rich. Rich means they are efficient in collecting the real estate taxes. What does that mean? I mean, of the funds coming from the real estate taxes we paid, there's a column there that says Special Education Fund. So, for the poor areas, they cannot afford this unless the funds come from the national budget.